Hi, I'm Paxson.
Hi, I'm Maddy.
Hi Lakers, I'm Paxson, fellow student here, and I want to be among the first to welcome you to the start of fall term here at Southwestern. Although this may not be a typical start to the year due to COVID, rest assured that we are preparing for a great year.
Our primary focus has always been and will continue to be keeping us students, community, and employees safe and feeling supported. With this in mind, our campus remains closed to the general public. You'll notice most of our classes are taking place online, and we'll continue to support you through phone, email, and virtual means.
Just like we've had through summer term, there will be a handful of CTE classes such as culinary, welding, and nursing that will take place in person. If you're a housing student or find yourself on campus at any time, we ask that you bring your mask and follow social distancing rules. Our health check details and other specifics are spelled out on the COVID page that you can find on www.swocc.edu. Our goal is to make sure everyone knows what to expect while on campus. If you have any questions or are not comfortable with protocols or don't think you'll be able to follow the guidelines for any reason, please reach out to a staff member or an appropriate contact listed on the COVID page.
Now more than ever, it takes a village for all of us to have a successful year, and we are happy to have you be part of the Laker Nation. Together, we can make it a great year.